Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to their Hubrex Pyrotechnics video. And in today's video, we're going to be demoing off the SkyBacon 1000 ThunderBomb Firecrackers. We're going to be stringing them out across the ground right here, and then we're going to run them into this fuse right here, which goes into 3 fast fused double timer and crackling mines. So I'll get back to you when I'm done setting up. Okay guys, so we're back. We've got the line of firecrackers going into the mines right there. This is going to be pretty crazy. We've got the close-up camera right here. It's going to be getting some good, nice close-up filming shots. And we just got to light it. Okay guys, so here we go. We got the SkyBacon 1000 ThunderBomb Firecracker strip with 3 crackling mines. 3, 2... That was pretty nice. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week for another video.